Good morning everyone. Oh sorry, I'm on a hike at the moment through the Werribee Gorge State Park, and yeah, let's just go hiking along. I'm going to do a blog post about this hike because this is literally my favourite hike. Sorry if there's a bit of wind, it's a little bit windy today. But this is literally my favourite hike to do because it's quick, simple, and you get a beautiful view at the end. So I'm going to watch out for that blog post, which will be the Thursday after this video. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, sorry if it's a little bit shaky too. I'm just holding it with my hand today because it's easier to just take the camera without the tripod. And yeah, we'll see how we go. Hope you guys enjoy. And this is our last bit of sunlight until we get back to the top, because we go in between the hills here. So last bit of sunlight. Goodbye. It's cold in here without the sun, but I'd like to point out how well they do at keeping this track clean. Like, check out this track. Sorry, I pressed a button and I didn't mean to, but the track's perfectly clean. There's no like little bushes anymore along the edge, because sometimes it can get really unmaintained, and there was all like bushes here last time I came, which was a while ago, and now it's all just nice and clean. So they do a really good job at keeping it clean in here for the hikers or rock climbers. If I didn't mention, this is the Falcons lookout track in the Werribee Gorge State Park, which I know I mentioned that, I just wasn't sure if I mentioned what the track's name was. But yeah, I'm just actually so excited to show you guys how cool this track is. I love it, and the view at the end is going to be amazing. Okay, so we're about halfway through so far. How are you guys enjoying it? This walk is seriously my favourite. It only takes about an hour and a half to get there and back, so sorry I'm out of breath. It's a pretty good hike too, because it's like high up and then you go back down, and then anyway, it's a good workout is what I'm trying to say. My brain doesn't work when I'm exercising, but check out this cool rock. Look how big it is. That one. Right, so I was just looking at these trees here, and I just wanted to show this one because it's pretty funny. Watch it, ready? Look at its branch. It goes like this. Whoop! What the hell? How weird. Okay, as I was trying to say before, this walk has a very good incline, so you're doing a lot of exercise on your legs. It's really good for you, and coming back you have to go back up some stairs too, so you don't get a rest coming back. And I'm just, oh my god, I haven't done a hike in so long. It's bad guys, but we're nearly there. We're nearly at the last incline part, so we're nearly to the view. Woo! Alright, we've made it, only 5 more minutes. That's where we go. We're nearly there. Just got one more part that we have to go down, and then we're nearly at the view. Just wait till you see this view. It's breathtaking. I love it. I'm sorry if it's a bit windy. It is a bit windy right now. You can see the trees are all windering. Windering? I'm moving, maybe. Okay guys, we're at the top. I'm just heading out to this rock that I've never actually sat out at before, so you can see how that goes, but wait till you see the views. It's beautiful. I mean, you just saw that clip before when I was walking over to the cliff, but oh my god, this is so beautiful up here. Let's go out here. Are you ready? You can also see the city from up here, but are you ready? There you go. Oh my gosh, we're so high up. I've actually never been out to this way before, but look, check out the cliff. So high we have. Yeah, there's a little river down there. And there's the city. I don't know if you can see it. Like, I can barely see it on here. But the city's out there. Here's me with the view. Check that out. How pretty. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. I love it up here. So for those who are wanting to rock climb here, they have all these little things here where you can attach your belay stuff, whatever it's called. You've got a couple over here too. Little green poles sticking out in there. And yeah, it pretty much just allows climbers to attach themselves to it so they can rock climb down. Which I literally never get sick of this view. I love it to bits. It makes me so happy just to see nature, really. You can just see it's beautiful. You got the cliffs. You got two black birds circling up there, if you can see them. You got the city out there. It's just, oh, it's absolutely amazing. I love it so much. So yeah, this is the Falcons Lookout track in the Werribee State Gorge in Victoria. So if you're ever interested, definitely come out this way. It's in the west of Melbourne. But yeah, that's about it. I'll probably leave this video at that. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later. Bye. Oh, also be sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and check out my blog when I post it on Thursday.